In this segment, we're going to talk about the basic settings reference file. I will show you where to go get that file and how to open and get everything in the file activated. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to sndsoftware.com, and I will put the link down in the description below. And if you've not already done so, you will need to create a user account, and I will put a link to the video that tells you how to do that. But if you already have a login, you can go ahead and log in. Okay, so once you're here, if you go over to the members section, you have the community file server. You go here, and then you want to look for the basic edition file server. And if you've already signed up and registered, we would have already given you access to this. So definitely the sign up portion is important to get you access to things. So let me open this up. And you can see this basic setting reference file. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and we're going to download that. And so that will go into our downloads folder. There's also the quick start guide here and a more detailed overview of the settings as a more detailed settings reference. So you also have these files in this folder, and we'll be adding more things to it in the future. So now that we've downloaded that, we need to go look at this file and open it up. So I'm in my downloads folder, and you can see I have the file right here. So I'm going to open it up. And it has a password. The password is just the word basic. And once you open that up, you need to enable editing. And then this is the end user license agreement. You need to read through this, and you need to agree and accept at the bottom. So you'll have a button down here. I agree and accept. Okay, I have to enable the macros. So let me do that. So if you see that error, that's what it is. I agree and accept. It says welcome to the basic edition. So we're going to hit OK. And then there is detailed instructions here explaining about how things are set up. So you have short descriptions and long descriptions for each of the settings. And if you go to the short description, what it's going to do is it's going to give you the name of the setting. It's going to tell you what the default value is and give you a short description, and it'll tell you what options that you have, what different choices you can put in that field. And if you go to the long description, I'm just going to click this one here. So bandwidth, it gives you detailed information, more detailed information on the different settings. It shows you the defaults, medium, and that your allowed settings are narrow, medium, and wide. And in some instances, to help you, we actually have some pictures because that can really help understanding. So that is how the file is laid out. I think you'll find this file will be a huge benefit to you as you start to use the basic tools and want to understand the different settings and options you have in order to set the basic tools up in a manner that facilitates your trading style.